All right, folks, we're excited today and talk about our new fun and beautiful boat chairs. These have been incredibly popular ever since we added this to our lineup. As you can see, the main draw is their beautiful feature. This unique bow design on the back of the chair is been very popular ever since we've added it. And the only trouble that we're having is keeping some of them in stock, especially our pink. As you can see, I don't have an adult pink here in the showroom because they're selling out real quickly. We're fortunately getting new supplies in almost daily. But folks, this is an incredibly popular chair. They've been great with schools, party rental companies, anyone who wants a certain theme for a restaurant that wants a color match. So we have them now available in black, white, blue, and pink. And I apologize, I don't have the adult pink in the showroom today because that's how popular it's been. So obviously pink is going to be great for certain parties, some girls parties, tea parties. These have been very, very popular, and folks that just want to have a certain motif. Now these are again great chairs, but they're deceivingly strong. You would think, hey, this is a full resin chair, but guess what? We tested this in our crusher in our warehouse, and this thing took over 3,000 pounds of downward force before we finally broke it. It's a very strong chair. You're gonna love it. Easy to clean, easy to maintain. You can stack them. They're a beautiful addition. The question is, which color do you want? Black, white, blue, or pink? Pink's the hottest one right now. So get yours today at Chivari.com.